Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to create a subreddit on Reddit, a community dedicated to any topic of your choice. Let's dive in. A subreddit is essentially a group of people with shared interests. Whether it's football, productivity, or a niche hobby, you can find or create a community for anything. To create your own subreddit, start by visiting the Reddit homepage. Click on Create Community, which is typically located in your account menu. Think about the name and theme for your subreddit. For instance, if the name you choose is already taken, tweak it slightly until it's available. Once you've decided, choose whether your subreddit will be public, open to all, or private, restricted access. If your community involves adult content, be sure to mark it appropriately. After setting these options, click on Create Community to finalize it. Next, you'll be prompted to make your first post. This can be a welcome message explaining your community's purpose, rules, and values. For example, you could write, "Welcome to our community. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and connect with others." You can also include polls, images, or links in your post. After posting, you can pin it to the top of your subreddit for visibility. To do this, click the three dots on your post and select Pin Post. You can also create collections to group related posts under specific themes. Once your subreddit is set up, share the link with others to grow your community. The URL will look something like reddit.com/r/yourcommunityname. That's it. You've successfully created a subreddit. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.